Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? February 3rd, 2020. On the tubes today I'm going to be showing you a Lasko 24-inch box fan. Nothing special, metal casing, plastic front, plastic back, a 120 volt polarized, blue plug with a sticker. What you see is what you get. On the back, there's 2 feet that prevent it from tilting, I guess. There is nothing on the bottom except a stamp of 120 volts. There is no sticker anywhere, and that is all. Let's plug this in and run through the speeds. Currently it's off. Let's go to 3. It's 0, 3, 2, 1. 3. Speed 2. Speed 1. And back to 0 and a full wind down of the blade. As you can see, there's 5 blades. Let's go back to 3, then a 0. I'll turn it around. And a 0 wind down. Well, that is all, folks. This was the 24-inch plastic Lasko box fan. Thanks for watching. Please consider hitting like and definitely subscribe. Have a great day.